howdy our people is. Look how they've grown already in 4 days. And they're looking bigger. Oh my gosh. And all but one is over a pound. They are like a pound.1, as I call it, to a pound and a half, roughly. But the smallest one, he's just under a pound. He's like 0.0, let's see, how do I put it? 0.09, I would put it that. To mean he's just literally under a pound in size. So they are growing very fast. Look at that. That one is like, doop. Aw. Milk comas. Milk comas. Happy littles. He's like, I think I'll go this way. So cute. They're funny little noises. That one's like, I'm just cozy. Their sister's right there. And then, let's see. Well, there's quite a few. Oh, they are just oh so cute. But the one that really catches my attention a lot is the firstborn. And the second one that takes my attention a lot is the smallest male. And then there's another big red male. And those are the three that I'm really looking at as possibilities for one of those being my keeper. I'm just got three I'm trying to decide on for sure. They seem to be the calmest of the males and doing really well. So puzzled. Kind of like, we're not sure what to make of this. That one's like, I'm just gonna keep on trying to eat even though I'm asleep. They are just so cute, guys. It's just, jeez. And Mama's been doing a really great job taking care of them. She still does really well with that. That one is like weird. It's being funny. And yeah, this is an old rug used to help give them some traction in there. And then let's see, their whelping pad that repurposed them so that the rug underneath this will be protected. And then I've made their little area for where they can relieve themselves. So, yep, right by the back door, because it's going to be too cold this winter, I think. I've got a special ramp that they can climb in and out of that thing. They could probably even climb onto that step and then onto, hop in there that way. as well, so they have two options at least. But anyway. And then there's their water bowl. That rug is... Yeah, that rug needs a good cleaning itself. But it's an old rug. And there's Mr. Zeke. Proud Papa. They're like, hungry again. Constantly hungry. Oh my gosh, they are funny. I hear one squeaking. They're weird. So cute. Well, anyway, later, y'all.